What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to change the time of your Redmi Watch 5 Active. You should be able to change the time format as well, that is if you want a 12-hour time format or a 24-hour time format. Now to do this you basically want to use your phone, and the reason is because the Redmi Watch 5 Active actually works together with your phone, that is if you have connected it with your phone. I have made a separate tutorial on how to go about doing that. You can check the description of this video, but basically just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then you also want to make sure you download and install the Mi Fitness app, and then just click on the connect button under the devices tab, and you should be able to connect your phone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now once it is connected, to change the time on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you basically just want to go over to the date and time settings of whatever phone you have. In most phones you have to get to the settings of the phone and then just look for the system settings on your phone. In my case it is under the additional settings over here, and then under the date and time settings you should be able to change the time format by just enabling 24 hours over here. And once it is enabled, you can literally see that the date and time format has just changed on my Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now if you also want to change the time on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you basically just want to click on this set automatically over here, and then you can now change the time. So I can go ahead and just change this to say 15:31 and then just click on OK, and then just give it some few seconds, and you can literally see it has also changed on my Redmi Watch 5 Active. So the smartwatch actually works with your phone, and whichever date and time you have on your phone is what is going to be on the Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.